Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to recap the 4-week Bitget copy trading experiment. We're going to go through some details, we're going to check the stats, we're going to see if it's worth it and if I would do it again. And if you haven't seen the first 3 videos on this series, I recommend you check them out to see how much we deposited, how we picked the traders that we picked, and the process when copy trading. So let's get straight into the video. So the idea behind this experiment was to deposit $2,100 into a Bitget account, pick out traders that I fancied would maybe do well in the long term, invest that $2,100 and see how it goes. And if you see from the first 3 videos that we've done, it was going pretty well. At one point we turned $2,100 into $5,800, which was substantial gains. However, did we make even more than $5,800 or did we lose it all? Let's find out. Let's go into Bitget right now and see how we get on. So, starting off here, let's go. We started off with $0 profit. This is when we started the account. So, as you can see, no movement in the account at all. But at the start of the journey, the profit started to fly in, to be honest. As you can see, over the first few days, over the first few weeks, we were up over $1,000 in profit by doing nothing by copy trading. As we got on to week 2, we were up $2,000 in profit and we dipped down to about $1,200 in profit, which was still amazing to see. But then week 3, we really started to gain momentum. We were up seeing $2,700 profit, $2,900 profit, and eventually $3,000 profit. Within 3 weeks, there was $3,000 profit, $1,000 profit every single week from copy trading. I did nothing, as you'll see from the previous videos, nothing. I set it up on day 1 and I let it run. That was all. And I made $1,000 a week. But there was a fateful turn in the market. The traders were over leveraged and my $5,500 pot, my $3,000 profit, over the course of a mad day in crypto, the entire account was liquidated. $5,500 was wiped from my account. And I'll take you over onto the chart to have a look at this. As you can see here, it was on the 10th of May. There was a massive wick. This is on the Bitcoin chart. There is multiple names for these wicks: scam wicks, manipulation wicks. This time in this period right here was during a CPI event in the United States, which is market manipulation central. That is where the governments, the money makers, they move the markets to suit them. That is when we see extreme volatility. Now, I don't know why the traders chose to trade on this day. Everyone knows that this day is extremely volatile. It's one of the most volatile days on the financial calendar, is the CPI report. So as we can see from this news article from that day, Bitcoin dipped below $27,000 on Wednesday, reversing a morning jump following the release of a mildly encouraging US inflation data. So there was encouraging inflation data, Bitcoin pumped, so the traders in my account were long on my account. But then the market manipulation kicked in, bang, a massive scam wick to the downside, wiping out all those traders in that moment. And if I just zoom in here, you can see how intense that drop was. It was massive. So during that time, my account was just vaporized to zero. So I started with $2,100. I got it up to around $5,500, over $3,000 in profit, and then it was vaporized to zero. So I lost the $3,000 profit and I lost my $2,100 initial investment. Would I recommend it? Would I do it again? To be honest, I am going to do it again, and I'm going to do it again with the lessons that I've learned through doing this experiment. As you'll see in the first video on this series, it was an experiment. I'd never done it before. I wanted to test it out. I wanted to be the guinea pig and see if it was worth it, to see if it was fake, to see if you could make money, to see if you could lose money, to see how the process was. But I've learned a lot from doing this myself, and I will be doing it again with different tweaks to the setup that I go with. So if you want to see exactly how I do it in the next video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and I'll post it within the coming weeks. So to wrap up, how was it? It was actually pretty good. It was an easy process. It was pretty simple. It was pretty straightforward. It was very hands-off, which I really enjoyed. I'm busy. I'm a crypto investor. I own a crypto business. I'm a really busy guy, so this was perfect for me to set and forget. Moving forward, in the future, I will be doing it again. I will be doing it with even larger amounts of money. However, I'm going to be doing it with much less margin in the account. So although I wouldn't say rush out and do this, check out the next video that I do and you can see for yourself, you can see the journey that I go on. I'm going to do it for 1 year with $10,000 in the account and see how that plays out. But if you're interested in Bitget, if you're interested in copy trading, there is a link down below where you can check that out. But as we all know, trading is very, very dangerous. As we've seen, my entire account was liquidated, was vaporized in a flash. That is the beauty of investing. That's why I'm a crypto investor. Your crypto holdings can't just be vaporized in a second when you're trading them. The only way you can lose in crypto is if you sell in a loss. So if you want to see my top 7 investments for 2023, click up here and watch this video and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.